Thank you for choosing Goldstar ATM. The Goldstar team welcomes you. We appreciate your business and want to ensure your success. Here at Goldstar, we value being a positive impact on our local community. Your team is here to help build your residual income, establish trusted experience for your clients, and provide awesome customer experience. Our success is sharing in your success. Here are our top 3 ways to improve income and customer experience. Location. Make sure your ATM is easily accessible to all clients and meets ADA specs. In our professional opinion, we suggest that your ATM be in line of sight for customers, such as near the front door. Cleanliness. The ATM and its surrounding area should be regularly cleaned in order to maintain a reliable machine. Make sure to keep up to date on your ATM programming as well. Advertising and messaging. Use a sign that is well lit or clearly identified. Customers are less likely to use an ATM that is hidden or dimly lit. Check out our other videos on YouTube for more useful information regarding your ATM. Thank you very much for your order. From everyone here at Goldstar ATM, to you.